Today I'm going to show you the power of the compounding effect. First, we're going to start off with just one quarter. Next, we're going to have 2 quarters. After that, we're going to have 4 quarters. Then we're going to have 8 quarters, 16 quarters, and then 32 quarters. Now, you might be saying, well, we're just talking about mere quarters here. I really want to see the effect if we have like a stock account, for example, and we start contributing maybe $100 a month. Worry not, I'm about to show you that too. Here we are with an example of a $100 investment. It's going to be per month. And we're going to do the span of 1 year. 11% return is the average return of the NASDAQ with a 3% inflation, usually what it is in the US. So, as you can see, after 1 year, you would have about $1,381. So you invested about $1,300, but your interest is about $81. So you made $81 after a year, just based on what you invested. Now, let's see what we could have if we go back and let's type in 10 years now. Okay, after 10 years, now we have $21,000. $12,100 is our invested capital. And our returns is $2,600. That is how much is compounding, right? Now, as you can see so far, the compounding is smaller than the investment capital, but that's going to change as we go on. As we go to 20 years, let's see. Okay. Now, this is the first time period where the compounding is actually more than invested capital. We invested $24,000, but from the compounding effect, we gained $31,000. So at this point, we're now making more from the money compounding than we are from putting money in there. But let's say you want to go even further than that, right? Let's go for 30 years plus. Okay, now we have $255,000. And again, this is just from putting $100 a month into the NASDAQ every month. That's it. You invested $36,000 while you're compounded by $160,000. But it gets even better. Let's say we were doing this all the way to retirement, for example, right? So let's just increase this to maybe, let's say 50 years. Look at that. We're at $2.1 million. You only invested $60,000, and yet the compounding interest effect got you $1.9 million in returns. So again, guys, this is the power of the compounding effect.